There we go. Hopefully they're two separate recordings, but let's see. Okay. Hello, everybody. Nice to meet y'all. My
Nice
name's
to meet you too.
Tim.
Hey, nice to meet you all.
Okay.
My name
Okay.
My name is Maya.
Mm,
my name is Garcia.
nice to meet you.
All right.
All right, let's take a
Let's
look
keep
at
the
this.
plan
Yeah.
then.
So
First
how
one.
are we going to organize our slides? What needs to be on our slides?
Okay, so
Do you want me to
first
type
is
or do
the
you want me to read
intro.
off what needs to be on the slides?
I'm reading it. I could just tell you if you got it pulled up already. That's
Yeah.
fine. All right. So the first one says introduction to the event. So
So
it's
would that be
who
the first slide or
yeah, it's the first one.
like the very, very first, like the,
Yeah.
okay.
You could put our names like in that if you want to. You could just put like by blank 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 instead of doing a whole nother slide with our names and stuff. I'm mad that my camera can't work.
That's
It
fine.
won't turn on.
Yeah, I could do that.
Inspire.
All right. Let me see. Did I just exit?
Hold on.
Let's
Fix
see.
this.
Are you guys sharing? Because I can't see it. I don't know why.
Oh, no, I wasn't sharing my screen. One second.
Okay.
Share it.
Me neither.
Sorry. And we can just fix the formatting once we get to round to it. I'm gonna share. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Share. Share screen. This one. Share, please. There we go. Okay. So what should what's our intro slide need to be named?
Well,
Introduction to what was the event name? Give me 1 second. Introduction to powwow. You put
we
that.
need a good introduction name. Like,
Because what
let's
was
see
the
what's.
other people's? Let's take a look. Introduction
There's
to the
was
event.
yeah,
Oh,
introduction
it
of the
says
event. So
fieldwork
yeah.
project at the top. So like maybe that's a proper name we can use at the moment. And if we come up with something
But
better.
we need a name for the topic. We need a name. We have to have a name. I feel like,
Powwow.
oh, beauty of power.
Yeah, you can do that.
Wait, what else?
Beauty of powwow.
Is it two W's or am I tripping?
Pow. Like right here.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Um, let's take a look.
All right.
So
So
it's called the Seeds of Philly.
Mm-hmm.
yeah. I need that. So on you can put that on the introduction to the event slide.
Seeds of Philly. Okay. All right. What's our next slide? Introduction to the event, right?
Yeah. Mhm. Do we like assign who does this slide or like because this is just a general slide. It
Well,
doesn't
honestly,
say
this will
who
be a
does
very
what.
easy slide to do. I can just like read over this thing, and this is what we can cite as our source.
Okay. Okay.
The free meeting will end in 10 minutes. Hooray. Okay. That's what it's saying. Let's keep it let's move quick. Let's move quick. Okay.
Yeah.
So the next one, introduction to the event.
The
Um,
next one after that is research. We assign which one we want to do. So I'll do the
research
topic.
the venue.
Which
Uh, just research. That's depend who wants to do the venue. Is like we assign a topic to each. Each of us has to do a research slide. It has to be 3 research slides. So
Right.
you can either choose the venue, the artist, the community, or the history. I want to do the history of the genre for
mm-hmm.
my.
That's beautiful.
So
Oh, I can do the rest. That is the
like what?
right rest.
Which one?
Um, Analysis slide,
No, wait,
musical
we all have
analysis.
to do a research
Analysis
slide. Like
of
all of us has to
Okay,
do a research slide. You have to pick a genre, like which one you want to do. The artist, the venue, or the community.
I could do the community.
Okay, so you have to title that slide Research of the Communities.
research of
And then Timothy, you would choose your which research part you want to do.
which ones are left?
Um,
Artist, venue, and cultural connections.
Artist, venue.
Wait,
I would say venue would be the easiest one for you to do if you want to do that.
Okay, sorry.
Because
I,
like it's basically like the
it's
background
just
on where it was at.
Cherry Street Pier. That should be simple.
Yeah.
The venue. And wasn't there like a fourth thing?
uh,
Musical
artist? Oh,
analysis.
you go.
Musical
Well,
and
we only have to do three guys with the research. We only have to do three.
okay.
And then the next is the musical analysis.
For the
Uh,
musical
we
analysis.
only have to have one of these. Must have at least one, yeah. Wait, we also
And
where will we put the pictures of us on the first one?
it
Oh yeah,
depends
okay, just a
wherever you.
different one, yeah. You could just do
And
that, yeah.
We can
yeah,
do
and
credit slide.
there's also a credit slide stating who did what.
Mm-hmm.
So just put up like at the end, maybe like a credit slide.
Yeah.
Just type in whatever who did.
Wasn't it a works cited necessary as well?
Yes. But
Like
before that, we have three more before these ones at the end.
well, works cited is always at the end.
Yeah, oh yeah. And so after the analysis, there is one called Discussion of Race, Diversity, Power, and Identity.
That sounds like the community.
Yeah, basically a connection slide. It's a connection slide.
So yeah, I think that'll be we can just wrap that into the community connection. Was that the one I'm supposed to be doing?
Did you choose that one?
Uh
Cultural connections? You chose that
yeah.
one or you chose the venue one? I wasn't sure.
I'll do both. Like I don't mind.
Just write the name in
Yeah.
front of the people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Credit slide. That's
It's credit slide is like everyone's gonna put in the work they did. So that's
we
fine.
should- so are we also doing music analysis? Who's doing that one?
Um,
Because
I I can do that one if that's possible. I can do that one.
introduction of the event. I okay, research venue, research of
What about the recording? We have the 30-second
oh
recording.
yeah. Wait,
What
Wait,
the
about
but
30
what 30 seconds?
like at the event we were supposed to be recording for 30 seconds?
Oh, I
Oh
have a
Or
yeah,
full
we
that
recording.
that goes into the pictures and stuff if we want to do that. We could just add it in
okay.
there.
Okay, I can add another slide, videos of the event.
Mm-hmm.
Because I think that one was for like our separate, like individual thing with the reflection. That's what I thought the video was for.
Okay, so introduction of the event. I don't mind doing the introduction of the event as well,
Okay.
Yeah.
just because I have so much time today, I can like sit and do some work. I'm just gonna actually put my slides near each other and we can reorder them.
Yep.
Oh, we all have to do analysis slide.
Well, I'd assume the analysis would be on one slide
I think so. It
Yeah.
says
because usually when you research, you state the facts and then you tell about what you think about those facts, which is the analysis.
so it basically all goes into one slide, I guess.
Like, I don't think we need to like
Because she's saying each of us is assigned responsible for it. So I don't know.
One research
And
tab.
it's highlighted. So I don't know if that's important. On step 5, yeah.
Connecting your observations to course themes. Your final presentation must include both analysis, synthesis, connections to course themes. To be honest, I'm not sure uh like how many slides she wants on this, but it's only 8 minutes to present. So I'm sure she doesn't want 10 slides presented in 8 minutes.
So we can just bunch it into.
That's why I was assuming that,
I wish I could.
let me see. Okay, so we got the introduction to the event, research of the venue, pictures of the event, videos at the event, musical analysis, research of
I,
the what was this research of the what?
uh, that's the
Community.
one you chose. That was like, which one did you want to do? Or no? Do we have 3 research slides? If you could check.
Yeah, I'm looking.
1, 2.
Artists of the new community.
What was your slide?
Mine was research. I think then that was mine then.
Okay.
Research of the music and genre,
Okay. And
like
then
history of the genre slash
Mine,
music.
yeah, mine was community.
okay, research of the community. So would that put you in the place to like do the community connections and everything, right? And like just put it all in one kind of thing?
Yeah.
Wait, this is kind of confusing. Hold on.
Okay, I feel like we're building something here. Research of the community, musical analysis. Let's just make sure we know. This is boom. It's the bare bones, but we can come back together and like once this will be
Oh,
finished.
my
We can
research slide isn't on there. Yeah.
research of musical analysis
Yeah. Wait,
and
that's
research.
all because you changed it. It's both of them connected.
Yeah, slash
Okay. I
research.
might have to write on there because I might get confused.
Okay. Okay, we've only been at this for about 30 minutes and we're making a nice dent. Okay. Introduction to the event, research of the venue, pictures of us at the event. Okay. And then we got videos at the event, musical analysis, research, cultural connection, or what? Research of the community, credit slides. All right. Is there anything that we're missing?
Give me 1 second. Yeah. Comparison to, wait, is that the same? I'm so confused. It's saying discussion of race, and then it's saying comparison to at least one course example.
I think we need to restart this meeting though, because it's about to end because it's like the free version.
Right.
So I can just like send another link so we could just stay for like maybe another 20-ish minutes if y'all are too busy or something. I don't want to like be taking up all y'all time or something.
I have about 30 more minutes left to spare, honestly.